my name is DERATHEBEE. I'm a Nigerian clothing designer. Welcome to the Hive. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I designed the Ankara top you saw me wearing at the start of this video. So these are the Ankara fabrics I'm going to be making use of for this top. And this is my sketch. Please don't laugh, I'm still struggling with sketching. This particular Ankara print is actually remnant fabric. So here I'm just trying to cut off all the extra irrelevant parts. After doing that, I'm now left with a rectangle shape. Oh, and before I forget to mention, this fabric is actually folded into two right now. The right side of the fabric is already open, so I'll just go ahead and open up the left side with my scissors. After that, I'll be folding it into two again, altogether now making the whole fabric folded into four. So I'll be marking around 3 to 3.5 inches for my neck width and around 5 inches for my neck depth. For my armhole / round sleeve, I used around 10 inches, and I'll be marking around 10.5 to 11 inches for my bust and my half length. For the neck depth of the back, I'll be marking 1.5 inches. I'll be cutting out the neckline of the back first and then separate it from the front. So I feel like 5 inches is a bit too low for the kind of neckline I want to achieve. So I'll be using around 3 to 3.5 inches instead. And then just at the center of the neckline, I'll be cutting in straight with my scissors about 4 inches more. So apparently, I do not think the sleeves are long enough, so I'll be adding to the length of the sleeves with the remaining leftover fabric pieces. Let me just take a moment to explain why the video clips are looking like they're almost upside down. So basically, when I started recording, I honestly did not think I would be uploading the clips here on YouTube. So I did not start recording in the normal YouTube format. But later on, when I figured I was going to post this on YouTube, I started recording in the normal YouTube video format. So now I'll just go ahead to join the pieces of fabric I just pinned on the main fabric together with my sewing machine. And this is the result right here. Now this is better because the sleeves are now about 3 inches longer than before. This is a much closer look of what I just did. So now I'm going to join the shoulders together. I just finished joining the shoulders. I want to show y'all something, okay? For the lining, I'll be using 2 different colors. Don't shout, don't scream. This outfit is for me, so yeah. If it's for a customer or for a client, obviously I would use the same color, but it's my dress, it's my outfit, so nobody's gonna know if we don't tell anybody. I ran out of black. I'm supposed to use like black all through, but I ran out of black, so I'm using 2 different colors. This is for the front, this is for the back. I'll be joining the shoulders together the same way I did for the main shape, okay? But before I do that, I think I want to add paper stay on the neckline so that the neck area will have a bit of structure. This is the paper stay I'm going to be using. So I just cut the one for the front and this one for the back. So I'm going to be using an iron to attach them to the lining right now. This is what we have after joining the shoulders. Yeah, jump scare, I know. For the fringes on the top, I cut these out 16 inches in length and 4 inches in width. I have 10 pieces of this. I also used another Ankara. I'm just supposed to use this fabric print only for this fringe, but this one was not enough, so I had to look for another Ankara. So I have 10 pieces plus 10 pieces. This is 20 pieces all together. So this long pieces is for the sleeves, okay? I have shorter ones for the bottom of the top. I'll be back when I'm done making all the fringes. So I've already gone ahead to pin them right on the top, and now I'm going to be using my sewing machine to attach them together. Okay, so I have just decided to fold each fringe back upwards. I don't know, I think it's better that way. I think it would look way better like that by the time I'm done with everything. I also went ahead to do the same thing for the sleeves as well, for the fringes on the sleeves area as well. Now that I'm done attaching all the fringes to the top, it is time to add the lining. Right now, I'm pinning the lining and the fabric together at the neck area. So first, I'll be turning the neck. Okay, so this is the tricky part, so please pay attention. I could not record this part because I had tried and failed so many times off camera, and by the time I finally figured it out, I was too tired to set up my camera to film the whole process. After I was done sewing around the neckline, I mean joining the lining and the main fabric together at the neckline like I just demonstrated earlier, then I turned the top to the front, and then I went ahead to turn the bottom of the front part of the top with the lining. I also did the same thing for the bottom of the back of the top and also for the bottom of both sleeves. After doing all that, this is what I have. So the only thing left for me to do right now is to join the front and the back of this top together at the sides, and I am done.
Saddle up and dance. Baby, take a chance.
Okay guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. If you haven't liked this video up to this point, please make sure to hit that like button. Drop a comment from me in the comment section. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet so you can see more videos from me. Hopefully I get to see you in my next video. Bye!